HBO and Max inked a multi-year deal with indie filmmaker A24. Google admits that a Gemini AI demo video was staged. And Android phones can now send medical data during 911 calls. It's Friday, December 8th, and this is Engadget News. Warner Bros. Discovery scored a coup by inking a Pay-1 deal with indie darling A24 for priority streaming rights. That means new releases from A24 like Iron Claw will appear first on HBO Max and Cinemax before streaming on any other platform. The deal also extends Warner's licensing for A24's film catalog, giving it access to titles like Uncut Gems, Everything Everywhere All at Once, and others. Typically, films start in theaters, then go to digital purchase or rental before heading to streaming. Pay-1 gives streaming companies exclusive access to titles for a period of 12 to 18 months before they move on to Pay-2 for general licensing and syndication. Paramount's Showtime held the Pay-1 deal with A24 until it expired in November 2022 and then was extended a year, according to IndieWire. Warner Bros. Discovery only mentions having Pay-1 access to A24 movies released after the new deal, so anything released before that will likely remain Pay-1 on Showtime. In any case, the deal will be a good one for A24 and viewers in general. Max and Discovery Plus have a combined 95.1 million subscribers, about 32 million more than Paramount Plus. Google is counting on its very own GPT-4 competitor Gemini so much that it staged parts of a recent demo video. In a Bloomberg opinion piece, Google admits that for its video titled Hands-On with Gemini, Interacting with Multimodal AI, not only was edited to speed up the outputs, which was declared in the video description, but the implied voice interaction between the human user and the AI was actually non-existent. Instead, the actual demo was made by using still image frames from the footage and prompting via text, rather than having Gemini respond to or even predict a drawing or change of objects on the table in real time. This is far less impressive than the video wants to mislead us into thinking, and worse yet, the lack of disclaimer about the actual input method makes Gemini's readiness rather questionable. It comes as no surprise that Google denies any wrongdoing, saying that all the user prompts and outputs in the video are real, and that the team made the video to inspire developers. Given the industry and authorities' attention on AI lately, perhaps the tech giant should be more sensitive about its presentations in this field? Some Android users are getting an update that could literally save their lives one day. Android users who have a device with the Personal Safety app can now opt in to sharing medical information with first responders when calling or texting 911. The feature has been available for iPhone and Apple Watch users since the rollout of iOS 13.5 in 2020. Android users can add information such as caller name, allergies, emergency contacts, and pre-existing medical conditions. For now, this feature is only available on Androids with the Personal Safety app, such as the Nothing Phone 1 and the Google Pixel 4 through Google Pixel 8 Pro. Anyone with these devices can enable the new feature by going to the Your Info section of the Personal Safety app, and from there, click Emergency Info Access and then Share During Emergency Call. Android and Apple's services are run by Rapid SOS, a safety platform that securely shares critical information in times of crisis to over 16,000 911 and field responder agencies. Apple users can access Medical ID, a feature in the Health app that, similar to Android's Personal Safety app, stores information such as blood type, emergency contacts, allergies, and pre-existing medical conditions. Rapid SOS shares this data with first responders, who can also determine a person's location if they call 911 in an area with enhanced emergency data services. Thanks for listening. There's more to these stories and additional articles at Engadget.com. Check out Engadget Next, dropping here in the same channel later today. This episode featured journalism by Engadget contributors Steve Dent, Richard Lai, and Sarah Fielding, and was produced by Spoken Layer. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll be back Monday with more Engadget news.